And welcome back to this channel, and today we're looking at Stable Video Diffusion. We're doing a review on it. Stable Video Diffusion review, redefining AI video generation with stunning realism. So let's get started. Video generation is evolving faster than ever. And Stable Video Diffusion by Stability AI is one of the most powerful tools leading the creative revolution. Used on the foundation of advanced diffusion models, this AI transforms static images into lifelike cinematic motion videos, all within seconds. Whether you're a filmmaker, digital artist, marketer, or 3D designer, Stable Video Diffusion unlocks limited creative potential without complex editing or expensive production setup. In this review, we're going to explore what it's about, its key features, benefits, limitations, and how you can start creating yours. So let's get started. I said earlier that Stable Diffusion, Video Diffusion, SVD, is an AI-powered video generator model developed by Stability AI, the same company behind Stable Diffusion. It takes a single image or frame and generates a realistic sequence of motion, lighting, and depth, effectively bringing our visuals to life. It is perfect. It is perfect for artists and designers creating animated concept from digital art or renderings. It is perfect for filmmakers to help them visualize storyboards and cinematic scenes instantly. It is perfect for marketers. It's perfect for marketers. It helps generate attention-grabbing ads and promotional content. And lastly, for game developers for animating their characters, environments, and transitions. Now, the key features are image to video, animation. You can transform any image into a smooth dynamic video sequence. We also have text to video that generates generative video model that creates video output from a text prompt. It has realistic motion generation, so AI-powered motion prediction creates fluid camera movement. It has diffusion-based rendering, so advanced diffusion models ensuring high visual fidelity and natural lighting. It has customization motion strength, that is, control how subtle or intense a video motion appears. It has custom frame rates is capable of generating 14 and 25 frames at customizable frame rates between 3 and 30 frames per second. It has high resolution output, so you can export videos in up to 4K quality. It has fast processing, that you create videos in 2 minutes or less. It's also integrates easily with tools like After Effects, Unreal Engine, and even Runway ML. It also has open source flexibility. It's available for creative developers and researchers. So, why do people love it? Well, Stable Video Diffusion stands out for one core reason, and that is unmatched realism. Unlike traditional animation tools, it doesn't just simulate motion, it infers realistic depth, perspective, and physics from a still image. Now, the second reason is that it is fast and efficient. Like I said earlier, it generates videos in 2 minutes or less, and sometimes in seconds. When you look at this image, you can see this video here, right here. Then it also has cinematic quality. Just look at the video on the screen. You can see what I'm talking about. It has natural lighting and depth that make every scene feel alive. It has AI-powered precision, so it produces smooth, consistent motion paths. It has creative freedom and it's perfect for concepts, art, reviews, and storytelling. Now let's look at the cons. Yes, it is great, it's impressive, but a few aspects could be enhanced. One is limited access. Advanced versions require paid tier or cloud credits. Then scene control. Fine-tuning exact camera angles or object movement is still limited. Frame consistencies. Yes, some transitions can appear slightly unstable on complex inputs.